नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Students, we are on the fifth part of real number 9th standard SSC board. We are doing maths 1 and in that topic we are on the practice set 2.3 and I told you that sets. If I am taking all the concepts together, maybe possible you get confused. So we are doing some concepts, then practice set, concept like that. Okay. So we are going on the next is like set, like sets or similar sets. Like sets or similar sets. Two sets are said to be like sets if they have or if their order should be same, should be equal or same, as well as their radians should be equal. मीन्स क्या क्या इक्वल होनी चाहिए, ऑर्डर भी इक्वल होना चाहिए और रेडिकेंट्स भी इक्वल होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज दे आर गिविंग √2. इसका रेडिकेंट है 2, ऑर्डर इज 2. बट इफ दे आर गिविंग 5√2, रेडिकेंट इज 2 and here it is the order, या 7√2 या 10√2. So all are like sets. Okay, I'll give one more example. Example 2. Suppose they are giving √45 and √80. Is it right? So what you are going to do? √45 is equal to, then you have to find out the factors. 5 into 9. But 9 is a perfect square. It becomes 5. It is coming out to 3√5. And √80 is equal to 16 into 5. So it becomes 4√5. So what I can write then? 3√5 and 4√5 are like sets. Therefore, √45 and √80 are what? Like sets. Have you understood this? Then, unlike sets में either order is different or radians are different, then I can say that what? Cube root of 5 and square root of 5. So what I can write then as order of sets are different. Therefore, 3√5, cube root of 5 and square root of 5 are unlike sets. Are unlike sets. या फिर इस तरह से भी हो सकता है, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ या क्यूब रूट ऑफ 10 and cube root of 7 as radians are different. They are unlike sets. So students, once again, what is the meaning of like sets or similar sets? What you are going to write? Two sets are said to be like sets if their order should be equal. Their order क्या होनी चाहिए? Equal, as well as radians should be equal. Then they are called as what? Similar sets or equal sets. Like √2, 5 root 2, 7 root 2, 10 root 2. They all are what? Like surds. Is it right? Or here, if they compare like this, root 45 and root 80. Root 45 is what? 5 into 10, 5 into 9, but 9 is the square of 3, which will become 3 root 5. 80, 16 into 5, 4 root 5. Root 5 is there. So 3 root 5 and 4 root 5 are like surds, means what? Root 45 and root 80 are what? Like surds. अनलाइक सर्ड्स में क्या होगा? या तो ऑर्डर ही डिफरेंट रहेगा या फिर ऑर्डर सेम रहेगा तो रेडिकल डिफरेंट है. दे आर अनलाइक सर्ड्स. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? प्लीज, दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. अभी लगता है बहुत इजी रहेगा, बट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. कॉपी इट प्रॉपर्ली. Now see third question of practice set 2.3. Classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. These are the examples they have given. 6 examples. We have to check it is a simple surd or it is a like surd or unlike surd. Then solution for first. For surds. With surds, root 52 and 5 root 13. So root 52 को हमें simplify करना है. So you can do it directly also. इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. 52 के फैक्टर्स निकालो. 2, 26, 2, 13. 13 is a prime number. So what I can do is 2 into 2 into 13. Order of surd is 2. This will come out. So root 52 is equal to 2 root 30. And 5 root 13 is equal to 13 is a prime number. So it will remain as what? 5 root 13. So what I can write? Order of surds. N is equal to 2 is orders of surds. N is equal to 2 are equal. Is it right? Radicand. A is equal to 13 are also equal. Therefore, 2 root 13 and 5 root 13 are like surds. Therefore, root 52, comma 5 root 13 are like surds. क्योंकि इनका ऑर्डर भी सेम है और रेडिकेंड भी सेम है. Got it now? Have you understood this? Solution for this surd. Solution for surds. What is that? Root 68 and 5 root 3. We'll try to find out the factors of root 68. That is equal to, you can do it separately. 68, 2s are 34, 2s are 17. 17 is a prime number. So 2 into 17. That is equal to 2 root 17. And 5 root 3 and 5 root 3. So what I can say then, see now compare these two. Order of surds. Orders of surds are n is equal to 2 only. See, इसके अंदर लिखना चाहिए. Correct? So order is 2 is equal or are equal. But radicands of surds are not equal. Therefore, what I can say, directly can write root 68 and 5 root 3 are unlike surds. They are unlike surds. Simple questions, but you should know it properly. Now, third question. Solution for surds. Which surds? 4 root 18 and 7 root 2. 4 root 18 is equal to 4 in bracket. AD के फैक्टर्स क्या निकलेंगे? So 2 into 3 into 3. Now see 3 into 3 order of surd is 2. तो ये बाहर निकल जाएगा. I'll get what? 4 into 3 अंदर आएगा 2. It become, or you can write it down also. Okay, what will happen then? 4 into 3 root 2, that is 12 root 2. That is root 4 root 18 का वैल्यू ये आ गया. And 7 root 2, और उसको सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते because the prime number तो 7 root 2. Now just focus on this. What I can write that? Order of surds. Orders of surds. N is equal to 2. R equal. Order the same है and radicals. A is equal to 2. R also equal. Therefore, 12 root 2 and 7 root 2 are like surds. Ultimately, what I can write is 4 root 18 and 7 root 2 are like surds. This you are going to put in a box. Covered on it. Now, fourth question. Solution for surds. Which surds you are going to talk about? 90 root 12, 6 root 3, right? 19 root 2, 19 into 2 into 2 into 3, 19. It is coming out as 2 root 3, 19 to 38 root 2 root 3. Sorry. So this is 19 root 12 is equal to this. And 6 root 3. 3 is the prime number. It will remain as 6 root 3. See now these are the surds. Is it right? And orders of surds. Orders of surds. N is equal to 2. R equal. Radicals. A is equal to 3. R also equal. Radical भी same है, order भी same है. Therefore, I can say that 38 root 3 and 6 root 3 are like surds. मतलब 19 root 12 and 6 root 3 are like surds. This you have to put in a box. Okay, so this is your final answer. Covered on this. Okay, now we continue with the next question. That is the fifth question. 5 root 22 and solution. So 5 root 22 and 7 root 33 for surds. Which surds? 5 root 22 and 7 root 33. We'll try to find out the factors of it. So 2 into 11 कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, दोनों प्राइम नंबर है, तो 7 22 ही लिखेंगे. 5 root 22 is equal to same thing is happening with 7 root 33. मतलब 7 here also 3 into 11 ही हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, तो 7 root 33 is 7 root 33 only. Now, if you see the orders, here it is 2, here it is also 2. So order of surds, n is equal to 2, r equal. Orders are equal, but radicals are not equal. Therefore, what I can write then? 5 root 22 and 7 root 33 are unlike surds. They are unlike surds. So, copy down it. Solution. Now 5 and for surds, which surds? 5 root 5 and root 75. Now 5 root 5. Root 5 is a prime number, so I will write 5 root 5 and root 75. हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 3 into 5 into 5. So this becomes 5 root 3. Correct? Here it is 5 root 5 and 5 root 3. What I can write? Order of surds n is equal to 2. R equal. But radicals. What are the radicals? 5 and 3 are different. Are not equal. Therefore, I can write 5 root 5 and root 75 are unlike surds. 5 root 5 and root 75 are what? Unlike surds. Now, one note you are going to write. Note. A surd having order 2 is called quadratic surd. ये प्लीज याद रखना, ये फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, मैच द कॉलम, एमसीक्यूज के लिए आ सकता है. A chord with order 2 is called as what? Quadratic surds. Quadratic surds. And simplest form of surds. Simplest form of surds. For example, root 50, root 48, root say 75 या फिर root 75. I'll take some other example. 2, 3, and I can take this what? 20. Okay, so see 50. What I can write is 2 into 25 or 5 into 5. This becomes 5 root 2. Root 2. Then root 48 is equal to 3 into, or what I can write then, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this becomes 2 into 2 root 3, yeah, 4 root 3. And root 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. That is equal to 2 root 5. Now, the surds like root 2, root 3, root 5, which cannot simplify further, are called simplest form of surd. Simplest form of surd. See, once again, एक तो ये याद रखना है, the surds with order 2 is called as quadratic surd, and you should know the concept. What is the meaning of simplest form of surd? Simplest form of surd जैसे root 50 है, root 50 का क्या है? 5 root 2, root 48 का क्या है? 4 root 3 and 2 root 50. So when number and surds are there, it is called as mixed surd. It is called as mixed surd. Okay, we'll explain that mixed surd and simple surd again. So 5 root 2 is there. Yeah, 4 root 3 is there. 5. So we are going to consider this. So root 2, root 3, root 5, which cannot be simplified further, are called as what? Simplest form of surd. Please copy down it properly, and we'll do some questions from the practice set. Now simplify the following surds. They have given root 27, root 50, root 250, root 112, root 168. So solution for question number 4 का 1, correct? रूट 27. अभी रूट 27 के फैक्टर्स निकालने हम लोग को. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट 27 बाजू में 3 9 3 3 3 1, तो 3 into 3 into 3. Order is 2. This a pair will come out. So root 27 is equal to 3 root 3. This is your final answer. इतना simple question है. Okay, got it? Shall I do the second one now? Second one also I'll do it again only. Solution of it. Root 50. Root 50 means 2 into 5 into 5. That indicates 5 root 2. Therefore, root 50 is equal to 5 root 2. Copy down it. Now, question number 3. Solution. Root 250. तो 250 के लिए आप लोग क्या करो, बाजू में उसके फैक्टर्स निकालो. 2 125. 3 से जाने के चांसेस नहीं है. 3 का कैसे क्या करते हैं? 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 8. 8 को 3 से डिवाइड मतलब होता है, मतलब 8 3 से डिवाइड होने वाला नहीं है. दैट इज अ टेस्ट फॉर 3. I'll repeat it up. जितने भी नंबर्स को ऐड करो, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8. 8 is not divisible by 3 means this number is not divisible by 3. और 5 है तो 5 के लिए तुम्हें मालूम है 5 के लिए 2 टेस्ट होते हैं. 5 और 0 रहेगा तो 5 से डिवाइड होता है. तो 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are. फिर 5 है तो 5 से डिवाइड होगा. 1. That's what you can write then. 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. But as the order of surd is 2, only one pair will come out. और अंदर क्या रहेगा? 2 into 5. So root 250 is equal to 5 root 10 is the simple form of what? 250. Root 250. Now, fourth question. Root 112. तो रूट 112 is equal to 112 के हम लोग फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं. 2 है तो 2 से डिवाइड होगा. 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 6 है, वापस 2 से होगा. 28 वापस 2 से होगा. 40 वापस 2 से होगा. 7 7 1. तो what I can write is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now, as the order of surd is 2, दो ग्रुप्स बाहर आएंगे. 2 into 2 और अंदर क्या रहेगा? 7. It become 4 root 7 means 112 is equal to 4 root 7 is the simplest form of root 112. That is 4 root 7. Copy down it properly. Now, fifth question, root 168. Therefore, root 168, I will try to find out the factors of it. Last में 8 है, मतलब it is divisible by 2. 8 जा 4 जा. फिर divisible by 2. 4 जा 2 जा. Divisible by 2. 21. Divisible by this. 2 plus 1 3. मतलब 3 से डिवाइड होगा. 7 7 1. तो what you got now? Under root 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So only this is coming out. So this, and inside the bracket 2 into 3 into 7, that is 2 3s are 6 into 7, 2 root 42. So root 168 is equal to 2 root 42 is the answer. Okay, this is the simplest form of surd. Root 168 is 2 root 42. So students, we are going very slow, properly जा रहे हैं. Okay, I think you have understood what the meaning of simple form of surds, quadratic surds क्या है. Okay, then we have studied about what order of surds. Then we have studied which terms are called as surds. So now students, you have to be, we are going slowly, don't worry for it. Once this exercise will complete, we'll go fast. So we are going to stop here only for the part 5 of real numbers. We'll continue in the next part. Now, do you copy down it properly? Thank you.